Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to control your computer, laptop, MacBook from anywhere in the world. So let's go to mobile screen. Open Play Store and search Chrome Remote Desktop Application. Install this application. I have already installed this. Now go to your laptop, PC or MacBook's browser and search Chrome Remote Desktop. Open this first link. This interface appears. Click on the Install button to install Remote Chrome Desktop. Clicking on this button proceeds you to the Chrome Web Store, from where you have to install Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click on the Accept and Install button, and then open this downloaded file. Then open this, and choose any name for your PC or leave it as it is. Choose a pin with at least 6 numbers, and click on Start button. Here, you see multiple options are available. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop app from your mobile. And click on this to connect with your PC. Now, you see that your PC screen is opened on your mobile screen. You can zoom in and out to adjust for your ease. From these top options, you can open the keyboard to enter any text. From this third option, you can select touch or mouse cursor mode. There are multiple settings available. You can change them according to your ease. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.